Oh yeah, now let's cook beans. This one are brown beans. I said this morning wetin we go chop. I said okay, I come do beans and yam. So I don't put my water for fire. Right now, let's wash the beans. We dey come back again. We don't wash the beans finish. Right now, we want to put them inside the pot. Then we go put account to make am quick done. See the beans? Let's wait for the beans to done. We want to blend our crayfish. They don already blend this crayfish. They blend am come from Nigeria. So e no smooth. So I want blender again. Let's on the blender. Then we blend. See my plantain, see my yam. This plantain I go dey fry am. This yam I go put inside the beans. Let's peel it. I don't peel my yam. I don't peel my plantain. Also, I don't cut my onions. So let's go check the beans. The beans never done. I can add another water, join them. Let's go. Before, if you boil some more, then we can put the yam. This smooth. Before, when the grainer come English, e no smooth like this. You see, huh? Oh yeah, our beans done dey ready. Make we put salt. We go put salt. We go put Maggi. Then we go put pepper. No, that pepper, the pepper. Let me put small first. Our next ingredient na crayfish. And we need to add many crayfish. Since now 2 Maggi now we put. We'll add many crayfish. You see, many crayfish. There. We have to stir it. You see our beans? You see our beans? Our beans is almost ready. It's almost ready. That's it. You see it? Then I dey see am. So people go boil beans. They go throw away the water. And na the water they give something for body. That water na vitamin C, vitamin D. That water. So if you dey cook beans, no throw away the water. As far as you don't feel wash am with cold water, then you boil am. Don't filter it again. You leave it. You see our beans, they done. Let's cover. Ready. And I want to see fry this oil with onions done inside. My beans is ready. Look at it. It looks so yummy, yeah? It looks so delicious. So delicious. So delicious. Hey, cooker. Now I want to try Isoko, babe. Isoko. Let's eat. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.